The sky had blackened. It fell in a torrent. I ran for shelter. It had darkened the fabric of my top by several shades. Ugh, I shivered. It drummed on the shelter. The packet in my jeans pocket was crumpled. They hadn't been spoiled. The lighter was damp. It took a while to spark. A bus pulled up on the other side of the road. The passengers peered at me. There was a murky stream in the gutter. I threw the stub into it. It raced a match on a chocolate wrapper like piddling crude canoes in rapids. They swirled and sank down the drain. It was several yards along the double yellers. The wipers of the passing motors worked left to right and back again. A crackle of lightning lit up the black. A notice told me that a timetable would soon be available. I strode into the rain.
Let's march in our place. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, the grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men, and he marched them up to the top of the hill, and he marched them down again. And